Hey Diamonds, it's Jamequa Stevens and welcome to my channel. Tropical Smoothie Cafe breakfast wrap. So I'm about to get my day started with like DoorDash, Instacart, Uber Eats. When I went on my account, as you can see, I'm right here on my status, and then I hit customer rating. There was an additional order issue. Now, I protect myself from any fraud reports and stuff. As you can see, missing item, damage. I all had proof that was fraud. I'm going to go in and show you all step by step how I report fraud. So, let's go to this one. And it says, damaged item. Order on Saturday, September 10th, 2022, 8:11 a.m. I also take a picture of the items that I placed at the door. I would like to report customer fraud, period. I take time and care with every order that I deliver. I made sure that the items did not get damaged and were placed neatly at the customer's door. Okay, so now there's a part on this where it says add photo. This is the order that I placed at her door, and I'm going to include that in my report. You can clearly see that nothing was damaged, and I made sure I tied everything up so it wouldn't be damaged. So then I'm going to send it to Instacart. And 9 times out of 10, if I show them proof and I make a statement, sometimes I don't even have to add a picture to it. But 9 times out of 10, if you report customer fraud, they will forgive it. So yeah, that was today's video. Little helpful tips on how you can cover yourself as an Instacart shopper. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And I'll talk to you loves later. Bye.